Now this applies to everything, all your tunes. This is just I'm going to do everything. So when you learn a tune, this is what you do when you learn a tune from scratch. And then also if you want to refresh a tune that you haven't played for a while. If you have, or really, I mean, if you're playing through a tune and you make a mistake or a consistent mistake or something, it's always good to just take it apart real quick and put it back together. It's good to reinforce these things because remember, playing music is a process. We are learning specific arrangements, so you do put your fingers here and every time for this arrangement in certain places. But part of what makes you able to do that and able to play a lot of different songs is being good at remembering what the inversions are and how to play them. Yeah. And then where the notes are and how to play them. And if you just do little, like if you're always learning tunes, this is going to be happening all the time. But like you found with Sister Golden Hair, when you go back to it, you want to do it again. Hopefully it definitely won't take nearly as long. So all we do, first of all, remember the different ways that we play it. Chords in the left hand with a melody up here. And then just really slowly singing the melody down here with your voice. Making sure that you're going really slow and just matching notes, right? Match notes. And then playing bass notes down here with the chords here while you just sing. And you don't really have to think about the melody so much anymore. And we're going to do more and more of getting things so you don't have to think about it. The whole reason we do all these exercises is so that when you're actually playing, you can just worry about expressing yourself and not have to think so much about the notes, right? So we're getting good at these processes. So with the chords, we're going to do, so any tune, like Sister Golden Hair, you have, just go through and figure out what all the chords are. So in the intro, there's C sharp minor, A major, E major, G sharp minor, and B major. That's 5 chords, right? So the first thing you want to do, just as a refresher again, just play your inversions. Here's C sharp minor, root position, remember C sharp, E, and G sharp. Play first inversion, play second inversion, maybe go all the way up to root position, and then back. Just refresh on what that chord feels like and sounds like. Do it with your left hand also, just one at a time. It's just reinforcing this chord. That's it. And then you're going to do your A major, right? A, C sharp, E. And then you're going to do first inversion, second inversion, root position, back down. And you've done this before, so it shouldn't take up a whole lot of your time. It's good to do this, even just as a warm-up when you're just playing a piece. It's nice to do it. If I'm not super solid with a piece, this is the type of thing that I do before I even play the piece. If I know, okay, I'm shaky on this piece, I need to work on a couple of things. And these are the type of things that I do. Then you go to E major. E, G sharp, B. First inversion, second inversion, right? And go up and down, really. Because it feels different going up than it does going down, right? Do it with your left hand, same thing. Make sure your fingering's correct and all that stuff. Okay, so you do that for all the chords, just to refresh. And then you go to the specific tune, which from now on I think we should make a little key on the side.
Yes.
What inversions for this particular tune that we're using.
Yeah,
this is fine. You could use that as a worksheet and then get a clean one. And then, do more pertinent information. Less is more. But in this particular tune, it's C sharp minor, first inversion, A major, second inversion, which you just move one note, and then E major, root position. Couldn't be easier. And then we're going to go G sharp minor, root position, then E major, first inversion. That's for the melody. Right. But then when we get to the actual song, in the left hand on this one, you're going G sharp minor root position, C sharp minor second inversion, B major second inversion, A major second inversion. So if you've gone through with both hands and really remembered what all the inversions are and how they feel like, it'll be helpful, right? And then we go to the actual tune with the words to get the chords together. And now we're playing with our right hand, right? Actually, we're doing it with both, so let's do the left hand. But if you start with root position, then you're going to go to second inversion G sharp minor, second inversion A, back to root position E, and we'll write all this down, don't worry. Second inversion G sharp minor, second inversion A, first inversion C sharp minor, second inversion A, root position F sharp, second inversion A, root position E. So if you've gone through and refreshed all the positions on that, it'll be easier.
Okay.
It'll be much more fluid. And again, if you just even once you've done all that, do that, what I just did with your key over here, and just go through the chords. And then once you've done that, just play the melody. Then once you've done that, you can put it together.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, I do.
We know the pieces.
Yeah.
We have all these pieces. We have a melody up here. We have chords here with your left hand. We have a melody down here that you sing.
Right.
And then we have chords down here with your right hand. And you have a bass line.
Right.
Those are the pieces. Take them apart, put them together. Take them apart, put them together, and you have your exercise in the beginning.
Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah. I'll keep my